Hey everyone, Kyle again from ePoolSupply. Today we are back with a What's in the Box on Hayward's Leaf Canister. Stay tuned. All right, guys, and we're back. So today I've got Hayward's Leaf Canister. This is their smaller version. Model number on this one's W560. They do have a much larger version if you've got a lot more debris that you want taken off from ending up in your pool pump. But I'm going to go ahead and open this one up and show you guys kind of what comes included so you guys know what to expect in purchasing this. So typically a leaf canister, before I get into it, a leaf canister is going to go in line with your suction cleaner. For those of you guys that don't know, all it's doing is it's basically a pre-filter before your pump. So as the suction's pulling, if you had leaves that your cleaner's picking up, they end up in your pump basket. So to avoid that and having to constantly go over and open up your lid and clean out your pump basket, they give you this option. So this way you can just go to the actual pool, open this thing up, get as much of the leaves and debris that this thing will catch, take it out. So then that way you guys aren't constantly cleaning your pool pump once a week. So really works out well if you've got a lot of leaves that fall down into your pool. If your neighbor's tree, is causing chaos to your pool, highly suggest grabbing one of these, throwing it on your suction cleaner. Just makes your life easier. So again, this is the smaller version. We'll have another video for the larger version, so you guys can check that out. This is only available in store, so you got to come down and visit us at our retail store. So make sure you guys check out the links in the description. That will take you guys there. So go ahead and crack this open. Pull it out here. So here's the leaf canister. And of course, it gives you an install guide that works for both the large as well as the smaller size. So the reason why I really like this one is it's got that kind of simple removable basket similar to what your pool pump does. So I'll go ahead and kind of show you guys. It's got a really easy open lid. That's what I like. So you got something to grab up top here to be able to twist. So it's got this locking ring. So you're just going to go ahead and take this off. If you guys will notice on the top of the piece here, it's got little notches. So that's actually what's going to help keep this on just in case it comes off, but you got to line it up in order to pop it out. So, and then of course you've got the actual lid. This is on there with a heavy duty O-ring. So you guys got to kind of rock it back and forth, especially if it's been in your pool for a while. This could get kind of gummed up and just stick on the inside. So you want to make sure that you guys kind of rock that off in order to pop it. And then of course, here's your actual Hayward leaf basket. So we've got these available. If you guys want to check out the link in the description, you guys can actually grab these as well. So over time, these are going to crack, especially depending on how high your suction's turned up. So we've got replacement options for that. And then of course, here's just your empty canister. So one thing I noticed when we were looking at this is they don't include the top valve cuff that you'll need to actually hook your suction hoses up to. So you'll have to check out the links in the description. We have another piece that you can buy online, and it's actually an inside push that'll lead to your other hose. That way you're not having to buy any other special hose. It's just a little adapter piece that actually connects in here for you. So then that way you can do it. The bottom is totally fine. Your typical hose is going to plug right into it. It's just this top piece with those little locking rings to hold this blue piece on. Doesn't allow you to actually put the hose over it. So you need to get an actual valve cup that will allow you to connect to it. So I'd say that's the one downfall about it, but otherwise it's a great product, and we definitely highly suggest you guys throwing in a leaf canister when it comes to high debris in your pool. It'll definitely save you guys a lot of time and energy in cleaning. So you guys can actually see, again, when you're going to put it on, you got to line that up so that this actually will set down in there and then start to twist lock on and tighten down. So you got to reset the other piece. But so you'll just twist lock it back down and it'll actually tighten on, and then you're just going to fill it back up with water, reconnect it to your hoses, and make sure you don't have to leave the system out anymore. So I just want to show you guys what comes included in Hayward's small leaf canister. Please make sure to hit that like button. Be sure to subscribe. We're going to have a ton more videos coming your way. Until then, I'm Kyle from ePoolSupply.
Thanks for watching our videos. Be sure to like and subscribe down below. We have a lot more content coming up. I'm Greg with ePoolSupply. See you next time.